Squad, and welcome back to episode 14.
Man, we made it so far.
We have made it far.
And we got plenty more to go.
Yes. This video, we're doing the nuclear spicy noodle challenge.
It don't sound hot to me. But we're going to see what the hype is about.
No,
because
this sound hot. I was cooking this and I started coughing. So he likes to pretend like things ain't hot, but I'm trying to tell him this is going to sneak up on him.
And we're going to see.
We are going to see. So let's go ahead and eat. But before we do, go ahead, hit that like, subscribe button. Go ahead and comment below. Share the video.
But most importantly, tap that bell.
So you get notified every time we post. And let's just get right into the video. Okay, guys, so we're about to go in. I'm nervous, like.
Go ahead and eat it first so I can see.
Hell no, we doing it together. Cause my mouth burn, your mouth gonna burn too.
Nah, go ahead. You the soldier.
Oh.
Go ahead, soldier Slim.
I purposely didn't wear no eyelashes, no eye makeup, cause
I was gonna fall right off.
I had a feeling my eyes was gonna water and I was gonna cry. Like just breathing this in got me choking. Let's go.
Go ahead, man.
No, look, now I gotta watch
All
it.
right, 1, 2.
Come
Girl,
on.
you gotta go. Woo! Hey, just so you know, I get to use the bathroom first. Whew. Man, now this is way hotter than a Buffalo Wild Wings.
Come on, why you talking? Eat.
Nah, keep going, baby.
Joshua.
Oh. Man. Hey.
I ain't gonna lie.
It is.
They hot, but
what? Girl, you know they hot.
they all hot.
Thank God.
But I'ma keep eating.
Cause you, go ahead, so slow. I'm gonna win this challenge once again, and I will be 3-0 in challenges.
Mm-mm.
So what's the challenge? Like, see who get done first?
Mm-hmm.
Oh shit.
Well, not done first. Like, just see if you can eat them without drinking water. I don't know.
Nah, the challenge is whoever get done first wins.
But you gotta eat fast.
That sounds like a personal problem.
My tongue is on fire right now.
Is it really?
Hell yeah! I thought
Let me cool it
at
off.
first when I
Stick your tongue out so I can blow it.
at first when I was eating these, I was like, oh, they're not bad. So then I just kept eating them. I ain't gonna lie.
You ain't gonna lie?
My tongue,
Don't lie.
oh, my tongue is burning like.
Nah, you need to do this. You need to do one of these. You gotta wrap it up. And you gotta put it in your mouth. Okay, get your big boy scoop. Big boy scoop.
Oh shit. And it's like after every time you put it in your mouth, it's like, oh, okay, heat go away. And
You
then
got me sweating underneath my arm.
the heat come back. My nose running.
How you feeling over there? Your bottom lip is hanging. Close your mouth. This ain't nothing so dogs though. I'm gonna show you how to do it for real.
Go ahead, Dinky, eat mine.
I ain't that hungry. You know, if I was
Your
hungry,
lips burn?
nah, I'm good. If I was hungry, I wouldn't mind eating it. But I ain't hungry like that today.
Yes, you is.
I ain't hungry like that.
Look, he normally eat my food, but this time he ain't eating my food because he knows it's hot.
See, I'm good. You know what I'm saying?
Like, just me talking to you got me just like contemplating life right now.
See, I ate before I got on, you know.
He is lying. Lying.
Why you won't let me be great?
Why you want to lie?
I had some Buffalo Wild Wings.
Boy, you's alive. Go ahead and take a sip of water so I can take a sip. Please. Shit.
This drip, what you call it?
I think my mouth is going numb.
Let me feed you, honey.
Boy.
See, I'm just trying to be a good boyfriend.
Shit. Be a good boyfriend and hurry up and drink some water.
Yeah, honey.
Move. Drink some water. So I can win.
Oh. Now, if I win, I get a 4-hour back massage
Oh my God.
with cocoa butter lotion.
The roof of my mouth.
Go ahead and drink that water.
Oh, baby, your eyes watering. Look.
I thought about something.
No,
I'm over here reminiscing.
his eyes are watering.
No, they can't see that.
I can't.
Your nose, look at you got bullets coming out your nose.
I know my nose running. I feel it.
Go ahead, honey. Rain down on me.
I can't even chew with my mouth closed.
Cause you look too big. Gotta open bite. She lost.
I didn't even.
I seen it.
I
Yeah,
did
you
it.
did.
I did
She
it.
lost.
I tried to sneak the water, but I did it.
She lost. She got a little sippy sip. She
I
lost.
really did it.
So I'm 3-0 with these
You are
challenges.
not 3-0 because I did not take a
champ.
sip. I did not take a sip. And then, as y'all see in the
I'm a
Doritos,
champ.
in the Doritos challenge, he lost. I didn't take a sip yet.
Why you bring no old stuff?
I ain't take a sip yet,
This is.
but I want to.
Today is the what? September 29th.
Oh, my nose is running so bad.
Go ahead. You know what I'm saying? You can't win them all. Sometimes you just gotta take your L's. And let it be a lesson. You know what I'm saying? Whenever you change your perspective on things, an L, you can look at an L as a lesson, not a loss. So, next time you know, when it comes to being the next challenge, you'll be prepared. But right now, you're not ready for this. You ain't ready for this. I don't take no L's. I don't gonna take no L's. And I'm ooh, alright. That went down wrong.
Then go ahead, drink some water. Go ahead, drink some water.
I'm already done.
Drink some water then.
I ain't even thirsty. But since I'm done, I can drink some water. Because I won the challenge.
No, you did.
Yeah, I did. The challenge was whoever get their noodles first wins. And whoever drink first lose. So you lost either way it go. Yeah, so y'all know who the winner is.
2-1.
Josh, 3-0.
2-1. Look, what you're gonna stop doing is cheating. And you know you cheated on that Dorito, so go ahead and give me the Doritos. It is 2-1. So thank you guys.
You gotta earn it.
Thank you guys for watching this video.
You gotta earn it.
And we will see you guys next week.
I think you're truly something special. Just what my dreams are.